Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. We can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's get down to this. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you want this item right now, click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship to you fast. So we shall see. Oops, kind of heavy. Oh boy. Whoa. This is coming from DR.PREPARE. Portable AC power bank. It's a big one. Lithium battery wherever you need power. Great for camping trips this summer. Memorial Day, 4th of July, all those good holidays. You might want to grab a couple of these. Open it up. Alrighty. Holy moly. Manual. And then we got here USB. Got a big old thing. Oh, that's cool. For iPhones, iPads, iPods. Holy smokes. This is a big one. We got a cigarette lighter or a cigarette adapter. Put in your car. So that's really cool. Down at the bottom, you get a travel pouch. So if you like something like this, oh, come on, shut. DR.PREPARE is the one to get. I'm going to take a look at this thing. Yeah, this would be perfect for camping, especially for truck drivers. There we go. Bam. Oh, 2 USBs. Type C. On, off. AC. Plug it in like a portable, what do you call it? Flashlight right there. A projector. You could do outdoor projectors and stuff like that. So that would be cool. Or your iPad, your iMac. Whoa. This way. 25%. I think I might have a phone around. I'll be right back. Alright, got the trusty iPhone. We got this. Got this. Plug it in. Plug the iPhone part first. Untangle these cables. Type C. Plugged in. And let's see if this works. Yep, there we go. And now you can go do something like this. So it's always good to have an extra one of these around. Look at this thing. Humongo. And then this one, Type C, plug it in right there. We got 25%. I don't know if you guys can see it light up. There we go. And now it has got to plug it in. Wait a few seconds. Bam. Now, see you're stuck. Oops. Here we go. If you're stuck on the side of the road, which one's the flashlight? Whoa. Yeah, it's pretty bright. So to get stranded, got juice in this. Got here portable carrying tote. And then, so that is really bright. Perfect for camping. I'm sure a lot of you guys would be doing it this summer. I'm not a camper. I like the indoors and the city life a lot more though. But like I said, you can hook up a projector, go outside with it, play some games. There we go. Yeah, definitely a nice one to get. DR.PREPARE, 2 USBs, a DC out. Let's see where we're at on the charge. Yeah, this phone's completely dead. So, but I think that's it. Everything we got. And you can charge this. Plug this in here. Like so. Oh, sorry about that. Cord got in the way. Plug it in there. You could use a pump or something like that. Pump up your air tent. So you got this thing rocking and rolling. Really nice. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So really cool. Check them out. DR.PREPARE yourself for any kind of disasters. You never know, especially in this world. You guys be safe, and I hope to see you guys pretty soon. Check them out.